How to assemble your Excell 3100 PSI pressure washer. All tools and parts needed to assemble this unit are included in the box. Part 1. Wheel Assembly. To begin, place the unit on its back and insert the wheel axle into the front tube. Using one M6 washer and one M6 by 15 mm long hex head screw, connect the axle to the frame using the supplied open-end wrench. Tighten securely and repeat on the opposite side. Next, remove one M8 washer and one M8 nut from the wheel axle and place the wheel onto the axle. Make sure the hub on the wheel goes to the inside. Reassemble the washer and nut onto the axle using the open-end wrench and tighten securely. Repeat this for the opposite side. While the unit is still on its back, assemble the rubber feet using one M8 by 30 mm long socket head cap screw and one M8 nut. Using the supplied hex wrench and open-end wrench, tighten securely. Repeat on the opposite side. Part 2. Handle Assembly. Place the unit upright on its wheels and rubber feet. Insert the handle into the frame. Place the screws through the opening and tighten securely with the lock nut, ensuring the knob is on the inside of the handle. Repeat on the opposite side. Part 3. Onboard Storage. Assemble the lower gun hook using one M6 by 45 mm long socket head cap screw, one M6 nut, and the supplied hex wrench and open-end wrench. Tighten securely. Assemble the upper gun hook using one M6 by 45 mm long socket head cap screw, one M6 nut, and the supplied hex wrench and open-end wrench. Tighten securely. Next, assemble the upper hose hanger using two M6 by 45 mm long socket head cap screws, two M6 nuts, and the supplied hex wrench and open-end wrench. Tighten securely. Part 4. Wand Assembly. To assemble the wand, align the threaded connections carefully and tighten to prevent leaks. Note: do not attempt to start the pressure washer without filling the engine crankcase with the included oil. Improper types and amounts of oil can damage the engine. Congratulations, you are now ready to use your Excell 3100 PSI pressure washer.